Tricia, I know exactly what you're doing now. You're gathering the leaves to put in your compost pile.
I am, but I'm going to take it through an intermediate step between.
Okay, all right. What's going on with the string trimmer here?
Well, I'm going to use the string trimmer and I'm going to shred layers of leaves in this old container.
What's the advantage of that other than it takes up a lot less room?
Well, there are a lot of advantages. You know, the smaller the leaf surface is, the more easily the microbes can work and get in there and help decompose. And also the earthworms love crawling in and out of all those surfaces.
Okay, all right. Well, what's involved in it there? Do you just dump it all in there and then churn it up, or how does it work?
That's a really good point. No, we're going to do this in layers because we want to have just a little bit of a layer for the shredder to do its work, the string trimmer.
Okay, well, let's see how well this works.
Okay, stand back.
Okay.
Look, you can reach right in there
Yeah,
and
it
get
does.
some
It
of that.
matches it up really well, doesn't it?
It's so nice, and not only is it going to work well in the compost pile, but also be a wonderful bedding topping for all the flower beds.
Okay, and I can see where this would work really well on some of the larger leaves you may have in your yard.
Yeah, the larger leaves tend to get a little bit mushy and create layers, and it really doesn't decompose as quickly. So this is very, very beneficial for that.
All right, well, it certainly makes sense. You stay on the string trimmer, and I'll keep feeding you some leaves.
Okay, here we go.